you will be shocked. But Eda Kweki, Oba Tokpaye, other Obaseki's watch, virtually most of the market in the heart of the city have been burned. And not one of them he has rebuilt. Even the historical Oba market, women are trading other ramshackle tents so that when it is raining, they can protect their wear. What is governance about? Number two, I saw the way we navigated today because the major roads are flooded. When the governor promised Gelegele Port, people took the thing literally. But today we knew that what it meant is that when it rains, if you don't have canoe in Benin City, you do well to stay in your house. So the Gelegele Port emerged from your neighborhood once it rains. Your Excellency, and the great people of Edo State, we have traveled around the 192 world. The message is the same. The foundation of our future has been compromised by Governor Obaseki and his advisor and special co-partner, as well Igodaro. It is incomplete to measure Obaseki and omit the driver. The driver is Aswe, I swear. The driver is Aswe, and I hereby swear. Okay. Because Your Excellency, Aswe Igodaro is the chairman of Obaseki's think tank called Alagodaro. Your Excellency, people of my age and even younger have not forgotten how Aswe Igodaro and all his associates were involved in what they call Plan Well. Plan Well was set up as an institution, quote, where you deposit 10,000 in the money, but tomorrow it becomes 15,000. And after 6 months, Edo people were defrauded, and the institution disappeared. They became rich. Edo people became popularized. Let me repeat to you, sir. Even one of your honorable ministers, not knowing he will be minister one day, he tried to build up his capital. He said we plan well, and he was wrecked financially. I won't mention his name, but he's seated here. You know how many ministers that are here. So he defrauded the poor, defrauded the rich, defrauded even well-educated people. That cannot be the character. With all due respect, that will come to want to formally take over the treasury of Edo State. As we speak, he is the treasurer of Obaseki. Because he suddenly became a chairman of a bank after Obaseki became a governor. And I'm like, this is a coincidence. What interest has he suddenly acquired in the bank to qualify him to become? Because when you talk of Obaseki, it's like narrating the story in the Bible when in the Garden of Eden, you don't talk about Adam without talking of Eve. If you are trying to understand who committed the first sin, these two are the same.